Welcome back to Overheat, Ford Transit Campervan 2026. Outside lighting. For maximum visibility and a futuristic appearance, sleek adaptive LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights are used. Wheels and tires. Sporty designs and lightweight alloy wheel alternatives. Another well-liked choice for adventure capabilities are all-terrain tires. Integrated accessories. The roof has a stronger integrated rack rail that can hold storage boxes, thin solar panels, or even a roof tent. Side awnings that retract automatically. Sliding doors on the side that operate more smoothly. Interior. Sleeping area. The bed serves as a permanent bed in the back and is often a regular full-size bed. Kitchen. Compressor refrigerator. Small stainless steel sink with fold-out tap. Portable induction cooktop. Storage, smart shelves, and drawers in soft-close kitchen cabinets. Dining seating space. The front passenger seat and driver's seat typically rotate 180 degrees to become part of the living space. Storage. There are many ingenious storage options. EcoBlue diesel engine. A more potent and efficient EcoBlue turbo diesel engine 2.0L or 2.2L with a range of power options, coupled with a 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly. Hybrid. A plug-in hybrid PHEV option. Ford is probably going to provide a hybrid or PHEV version of the 2026 Transit, which will lower emissions and fuel consumption and enable longer electric equipment. Runs without the need for a generator. All-wheel drive AWD. Intelligent AWD systems, which offer better traction in a range of driving situations, will be a popular choice. Ford's latest generation SY&C infotainment system, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, is housed in a large center display. Connectivity. The cabin is equipped with a USB-C power outlet, wireless charging pad, and integrated 5 Wi-Fi. Solar panel. For home charging, thin, effective, and potentially flexible solar panels are fitted into the roof. 360-degree camera to make parking